ZoneAlarm Free Antivirus is a piece of antivirus software that is free to try and should cover most needs. It features real-time protection, offers options for scheduled scanning, and can also strengthen your firewall. To add to that, the program is compatible with Windows Defender. Nevertheless, as far as antivirus protection goes, you get a pretty decent deal here. Real-time protection is always nice to have, and it is enabled by default. You can run a scan anytime you want, and it's also possible to set up a scanning schedule, so that your computer is periodically checked for malware. Besides that, the antivirus also analyzes the behavior of certain processes, all while checking everything based on a file reputation database, which should help detect most threats you might come across. It also integrates quite well with Windows Defender, so you'll be able to still run periodic scans through the built-in tool whenever you need. Free antivirus solutions often come with a caveat: you get to benefit from a few features, with the rest being locked behind a paywall. That is very much the case here, as the free version denies access to the web secure and hacking protection features. Seeking to protect your computer from network attacks, the antivirus also features a two-way firewall function, coupled with a port protection mechanism. Through the firewall menu, users will be able to set rules, as well as configure the parameters for security. ZoneAlarm Free Antivirus is a free antivirus solution that is also quite light and easy to utilize. It's essentially a set and forget affair, which makes the software worthwhile if you're looking for some added protection. Adding a zone rule, as the program calls it, can make for a good way to trust certain IP ranges and addresses, as well as subnets, so that they won't get flagged by the antivirus in the future. See you next video, and now some music.
Yeah.